Hello, money enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of investing. Think of investing like leveling up your finances. You put your money to work and it grows bigger over time. Imagine this. You put some money aside regularly. It could be a small amount, like what you'd spend on a pizza. Now imagine that money growing year after year without you lifting a finger. Even small amounts can make a big difference in the long run. So, are you ready to level up your money game? Let's do this. We'll break down everything in easy steps, from choosing the right investments to watching your money grow. One of the biggest myths about investing is that you need a ton of money to get started. That's totally not true. You can begin your investment journey with just a small amount. Think of it like this. Even a small seed can grow into a mighty tree over time. The key is to start somewhere, no matter how small. It could be as little as low 100 rupees or 500 rupees. The important thing is to develop a habit of investing regularly. Starting small also takes the pressure off. So take that first step towards investing today. You got this. Ever heard the saying, the early bird gets the worm? Well, in investing, the early bird gets the biggest nest egg. It's all thanks to the power of compounding, which is like a snowball effect for your money. Here's how it works. When you invest your money, it earns returns. But here's the cool part. Those returns then start earning their own returns. Let's say you start investing 10,000 rupees per year at age 25. With an average annual return of 8%, you'd have over 21 lakhs by the time you retire at 65. Now imagine starting just 10 years later at age 35. You'd have significantly less, around 9.3 lakhs. So don't wait. The sooner you start, the better. Section 4. Know your goals. Grow your dough. Investing with a purpose. Investing without a goal is like driving without a destination. You might enjoy the ride, but you'll end up lost. What are you saving for? A down payment on your dream home? A fancy vacation? Early retirement to travel the world? Short-term goals usually require less risky investments, while long-term goals can handle a bit more risk for potentially higher returns. So dream big, set those goals, and let's make them a reality. Section 5. Picking your investments. From stocks to robo-advisors. Now comes the exciting part. Choosing your investments. But don't worry, you don't need to be a financial whiz to understand the basics. Here's a quick rundown of some popular investment options. Stocks. Imagine owning a tiny piece of your favorite company. That's what stocks are. When the company does well, the value of your stocks goes up and you make money. Bonds. Think of bonds like lending money to the government or a company. They promise to pay you back with interest. Mutual funds. Imagine a basket filled with different stocks or bonds. It's a great way to diversify your investments and reduce risk. Robo-advisors. Not sure where to start? Let a robo-advisor do the work for you. These online platforms use fancy algorithms to create and manage your investment portfolio. Remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your money into just one type of investment. Spread it out to reduce risk and maximize your chances of earning good returns. Section 6. Ready, set, invest. Your step-by-step guide to getting started. Alright, ready to take the plunge and start investing? Here's a simple step-by-step guide to get you started. 1. Open an investment account. 2. Set your investment amount. Remember, you don't need a fortune to begin. Start small and gradually increase your investment amount as your income grows. 3. Choose your investments. Based on your goals and risk appetite, pick the investment options that best suit you. 4. Automate your investments. Make investing a habit by setting up automatic transfers from your bank account to your investment account each month. 5. Monitor and adjust. Keep an eye on your investments periodically, but don't panic over short-term fluctuations. And that's it. You're officially an investor. Give yourself a pat on the back and get ready to watch your money grow. The future is bright. Embrace the power of investing. Congratulations! You've taken the first step towards securing your financial future. Investing is not just about making money, it's about taking control of your financial well-being and building a brighter future for yourself. So, embrace the power of investing. Start early, stay consistent, and watch your money grow. You got this.